Example 35. Notice that here we have to play arpeggios with the hands together. And one thing to notice is that the left hand has to cross before the right hand does. So let's first look at the left hand. Again, we have to deal with the crossing. So since we know we're going to cross, we want to plan for the thumb to be approximately behind the finger that's playing. I so often see this. Now look, the thumb is here, but it needs to be down here. So thumb is behind the finger that's playing. That puts the arm at a slight angle. Remember, we can be at any angle with a keyboard as long as we're straight with ourselves. So from here, now I'm even going to extend a little bit more because I'm on 4. Now I can play the thumb rotationally. So that's what's underneath all of this. There is something else though. In speed, you may notice that it looks like there's a little bit of up this way, which is correct. Even though we have discussed notes that descend in the same direction very often can be an undershape. Well, that would work very well if we were just doing that, just this arpeggio and ending here on 5. Or if we were doing this kind of thing, it would be under, over, under, over. But since we're continuing to the thumb, I need a little bit of this. So the shape is like that. So really the main thing here is to make sure that the thumb is behind the finger that's playing on its way to its crossing. Now look at the right hand. It's, as we discussed before, the thumb throws the hand across, plays its note, and throws the hand over. Interestingly, when we put the hands together, the left hand, as I said before, moves a little bit ahead of the right hand. So there's a kind of a feeling of a rowing shape. It used to be, some teachers used to call it a rowing shape. So, but it looks slowly, it looks like this. The left hand is making its shape a little earlier than the right hand. Example 35.